You're watching Shoot Your Shot TV. My name is Paul, back with another episode for you guys. But before we get into all that, just want to give a quick shout out to my boy Sebastian over at Dream On. Just want to say thank you for the MLK long sleeve. You guys should copy some Dream On clothing. I'm going to make sure to put a link in the description below. And also want to just shout out to you guys, all our subscribers, our viewership. We've been getting a lot of traffic over the past couple months, and it's all because of you guys. We appreciate you for rocking with us. We appreciate all the engagement in the comments. I like talking to you guys on the daily and just going back and forth about different sneakers. It's fun. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We got tons of content, a lot of binge-worthy content. We're like Netflix out here, dropping episode after episode. And today we got the Tokyo Maze Airmax 1, a new rendition of a classic model. And we're going to find out what went into the making of the shoe. You already know what it is. It's Shoot Your Shot TV, Shoot Your Shot Records. Let's get it. Producer of the show, C-Rock, was able to pick up the Airmax 1 Tokyo Maze on the Sneakers app. And for those of you who don't know, back in 2018, Nike had an initiative called the On Air Initiative, where they gave designers from different cities all over the world a chance to design their own Air Max and incorporate different symbolisms and meanings into the shoe that represents them and where they come from. One of the winners was Yuta Takumin. She's one of the winners out of 5, so congratulations to her on getting her design picked. And from what I did read, her thought process behind the design kind of incorporated Tokyo's subway system and the massive streets and massive maze that it takes for commuters to get to point A to point B on a daily basis. And I feel like she executed it pretty well. Didn't do too much digging into it, so I'm not 100% sure on what else went into the making of the shoe. We're gonna go ahead and take a look. We have them in hand, ready to review for you guys right now. So let's take a look at the shoes. Nike Air Max 1 Tokyo Maze in that black and white colorway. You have a black midsole and you have that clear window with a red air unit on the inside. You have this smoke gray clear sole on the bottom, which is kind of cool because if you wear these a lot and they get dirty, it's still gonna look clean. It's not gonna look like they got dirty at all. And it says Tokyo Maze right here in red under the sole. You have this Nike Air Hit in red as well on the back of the heel. And it comes stock with the rainbow laces. Nike Tokyo Maze on the tongue. But these little patches here are removable and they come with other ones as well. And the leather on here feels really nice, very high quality. You have these distinguishable lines all throughout the shoe, these sharp maze lines, but right here on the collar of the ankle, it's a little bit more round, a little bit more circular tubing, as well as right here on the toe box. It's just another rendition of an Air Max 1. These right here are classic. You can't go wrong with the Air Max 1. The shoe is beloved by many sneaker enthusiasts. And this is just another take on it. And I feel like it was done well. I do like the little backstory behind it with the maze and just trying to get from point A to point B, going through Tokyo streets and subway system. Yeah, it's a good looking shoe. You could pretty much wear black and white with everything. This right here kind of reminds me of the Warriors town jerseys on the Oakland tree. Has the same kind of lining and pattern. That's the left shoe. It's the right shoe in that darker black colorway. But just to get a little look up close, side by side, kind of see how they compare, see the differences. But I like how it's doing a lot and not doing too much at the same time. It's a pretty cool concept. And if you don't want to rock the rainbow laces on them, don't worry. They come with 4 extra laces and different patches that you can put on the tongue. So you always like the extras that Nike gives you. It's pretty cool. And then also it came with this postcard with a nice design on it. And on the back it says, "No maze, no life." And shout out the designer, Yuta Takumin. But that's pretty much it. We're gonna go ahead and try these on. Let's take a look and see how they feel. That was our signature on foot look. and they fit like a standard Air Max 1. The fact that the whole upper's leather might make it seem like you're not going to get a lot of breathability out of these, so your feet might sweat more than usual in this particular pair. Air Max 1s are classic. They kind of all feel the same as far as comfort and kind of the cushioning that you get. So I'd probably give it a 3 out of 5 on the comfort scale. And as far as style, I do like the design. I don't love it, but I like the story behind it. Personally, I would probably take out the rainbow laces, put in some black laces or the white laces that it comes with. As far as the look of it, I would go ahead and give it a 3 as well, just because I'm kind of right there in the middle. I could definitely see myself wearing these, but I don't know. I don't think I'd wear them that much. As far as the price point on these, $150. It's pretty standard for Air Max nowadays. It's not too expensive. Plus, these are considered limited, and they were part of a contest. They're sitting right now at like $150 to like $200, depending on what size you got. But I do see these going up in the near future. Maybe in a year or two, these probably go up to like $250. Especially, people are always looking for a unique pair for Air Max Day and just something different to add to the collection. So I think there's value in the shoe. Price isn't that bad, so I'll go ahead and give it a 5 out of 5. Bringing us to a total of 11 out of 15 on the Shoot Your Shot scale. The Tokyo Maze, great shoe, great design. Air Max 1, can't go wrong. And I just look forward to what Nike's gonna be doing next year for Air Max Day and just what other initiatives they have. Not to get it confused, these weren't specifically for Air Max Day, but just what Nike has in store for the next rendition of Air Maxes. Also, quick note, these fit true to size, 9.5 fit perfectly, not too narrow, and a little bit of room in the toe box there. But that's our episode for today. Nike Air Max 1 Tokyo Maze. Thank you guys for rocking with us. Quick shout out to the homies, Good Rad Ugly and the Game Ball Podcast. Make sure you check out their content below. And again, shout out to all you guys. We got more episodes on the way. Shoot Your Shot TV, Shoot Your Shot Records. Catch you on the next one.